Hello, beautiful people. Thank you for flowing into Art Flow. Today, I am back with my youngest daughter, Farron, and we are going to be drawing today. What are we going to be drawing today, Farron?
We're going to be drawing a donut.
Yes, a donut. Farron loves donut. We get donuts every Friday, and she loves donuts. So that's what we're going to be drawing today. You ready to get started?
Yeah.
All right, let's get flowing. Okay, let's get started on drawing a donut. So like I said, every Friday I get donuts for the girls, and my son Farron loves donuts. Every Friday I pick her up at school, she's like, where's the donut? Okay, so we're gonna start with, what shape is a donut?
Circle.
Okay, so we're gonna draw a circle, big circle. Just like that. Oh, you're making one of those long donuts that I like. Okay, and what is in the middle?
A little circle.
A little circle. So we're going to draw a little circle. Okay. Okay. And then we're just going to draw I like icing on my donut. Sometimes we like that pink icing. So we're just going to draw not a whole circle inside your circle, but just like a little wavy lines.
Like that?
Sure. That's how you want it to look. That's how you want it to look. Okay, and then we're going to do it again around this one. Just kind of make it like a little
smaller?
Yeah, just make it a little smaller around the other circle. If you like lots of wavy lines, then that is great.
Wow.
Yep, and this is just going to be a simple donut. After that, we're just going to decorate it.
A donut.
Okay, you like sprinkles on your donuts?
Yeah.
Okay, so we're just going to draw little sprinkles. Just little rectangles like that. Just how a sprinkle is. Yep, just like that. And just draw it all over. However you want to, wherever you would want your sprinkles to be.
Even on this part of the donut?
I'm just putting mine on the icing. But if you want some on that side, then I'm just putting mine on my icing. Just drawing little rectangles, places, and just drawing them different places. They don't all have to be in the same direction.
Some can be long.
Yep, some can be long. Some can be turned this way, can be turned that way.
Somebody can done things.
Yeah. And then sometimes sprinkles are circles too. So I'm just gonna draw circles. Like little tiny circles around the other sprinkles. Just like that. See that circle? And then
Can I draw some more sprinkles?
sure, you can draw your sprinkles wherever you want to draw your sprinkles.
Wow.
Wow. I know, this donut looks delicious. Our donut looks delicious.
I want to eat it.
You want to eat it? I want to eat a donut too. Sometimes I just like just a plain, regular glazed donut.
Me too.
Yes. All right.
Draw my circles.
You drawing some more circles? Okay, I'll give you some time to draw some more of your circles. All right.
Wow.
Okay, wow. Okay, I bet it'll be even more wow if we bring this donut to life and color it, right?
Yeah.
Yes. All right, let's get the coloring. are finished with our donuts. What do you think about our donuts?
I love it.
I know. I think one donut is way bigger than the other one. What do you think? And it's probably way yummier too. I cannot draw a good circle. So when you draw a circle, you should probably try to connect the whole circle together so you won't have that little, won't have that little piece. All of my circles come out like that. I need to do a better job of drawing a better circle. Same thing. But they look like delicious donuts. And I'm very proud of us. We did an awesome job.
Sometimes my circle come out like a big oval.
Like a big oval. We did an awesome job. High five. High five. High five right here. All right. All right, everyone. We are done with our donuts and we have some donuts here to eat. Right? Can we eat these? No, I wish these were real donuts that we can eat, but maybe we can go get some later, okay? But don't they look like delicious donuts if they were edible, if we could eat them? Yeah. Okay, you guys. Thank you for drawing with Artflow today. If you want to draw with us some more, please subscribe to our channels to draw with us some more and see more of our videos. But before we go, we want you to always remember to
love your neighbor.
Bye.